Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the translating function in the Google Chrome application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the translate button. And as you can see, here's a settings button at the top of the page that will appear. And now you can select from which language you want to translate to. You can choose a language, which is like, for example, this, and then to English, and then just click on the translate button, and it will do that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.